Hello, lovely children and my viewers. Hope everybody is in very good health. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope everybody is liking the storytelling sessions and this Kahaniyon Ki Dunya. So tell me, children, we are in which month? We are in the month October. October mein there are many things. What is special about October? We have Durga Puja, Dashera, and a very important date. That is today. So what is the date today? 2nd October. What do we have on 2nd October? We have the birthday of a very special person, and he was right, Gandhiji. Gandhiji was born on 2nd of October, and we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October every year. Today I am not going to tell you about Gandhiji because you all know many stories and there are many movies also about him which tells you about Gandhiji. But today I am going to tell you about another great person who was also born on 2nd of October. Can anybody guess the name? I would give you a hint. So what is this color? This color is red. And what do we say red in Hindi? Red in Hindi is lal. And tell me, what do we call the people who are very, very brave? Yes, we call them Bahadur. So his name was Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji was also one of the freedom fighters, and he was also the second Prime Minister of India. He was also born on 2nd of October, and he was born in UP in a small town by the name of Mughal Sarai in 1904. You know, children, Shastri Ji was known for one of his slogans, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which was for the upliftment of the farmers of India. He was also known for his White Revolution. What White Revolution do you know? What is white in color which you all drink but most of the kids don't like? Tell me. Yes, milk. He started the national campaign for the production and supply of milk by supporting Amul Cooperative, which is in Gujarat. Though most of the kids do not like milk, but you like Amul ice creams and Amul chocolates. This though you all eat so much, right? So he was also known for his White Revolution. So children, today I am going to tell you the story of Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. He was a very simple man, and there are a lot of stories about his simplicity. So today, although he was the Prime Minister of India, but he was such a simple man that we have a lot of stories about his simplicity. So I am going to tell you a similar story. I am going to tell you a story about his simplicity. Once upon a time, it so happened that he had to go to some inspection to a mill. Mill is basically a factory where clothes are made. So this was a sari mill. So when he went there, after doing all the inspection, he thought that he would buy some saris for his wife. So he told the mill owner that he wanted to buy some saris. And the mill owner was so happy. He said, "Oh sir, you are a Prime Minister of India. The entire mill is yours. You can take any sari. Do you know what he said? He said, no, I will not take any sari. I will pay and then I will take the sari. Though the mill owner pleaded, no, sir, this would be a gift from us to you. But Shastriji did not agree to it. And then the mill owner had to give up. He started showing saris to Shastriji. But Shastriji said, oh, please do not show me such expensive saris. I do not want that. I want simple and economical saris. The mill owner again pleaded, sir, please take this as a gift from us. But Shastriji did not agree. Then the mill owner had to show some simple and economical saris. And then when he saw the saris, again he said, no, I don't want this expensive saris. Show me little more economical saris. Then the mill owner had to show the most economical sari. And Shastriji bought some 2-3 saris for his wife and went home. So basically, kids, this is such a simple story. Though he could take the saris as gift from the mill owner, but he did not. And there are many, many more stories like this. Another story I will tell you, where he was traveling from one place to another in the train. And it was summer season. And you know, summers are so hot. So the railway department had put the cooler inside the bogie in which the Prime Minister was traveling. When he saw that the cooler is there, he simply asked to remove the cooler. You know why? He said, I am a simple man. I am traveling in 3-tier A and I should be treated like that only. I do not want any specific cooler for myself. And ultimately, he got the cooler removed from there. So basically, children, he was such a simple man. He did not want to take any benefits because of his post. So the learning from this is that even though you achieve great heights in life, but you should never use that position for your own benefits or take special treatments. So children, study hard and achieve great heights in life and be a simple man like Shastriji. I hope you like this story and please subscribe to my channel and also like my videos and share my videos with your friends and family.